Hi, Shivraj.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side, Shivu.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Shivu, introduce yourself. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Shiva. I am from Kannur. I have completed my graduation in BTech in RGM College. Recently, I am taking up the CMTi course.
Okay, Shivu, for which course you have joined for?
Ma'am, IDM plus BIM.
Okay, like in interior designing, what are the new topics you have learned? How the
Ma'am,
course
I have.
helped you to build up your
Okay.
career?
Ma'am, this is very nice for IDM plus BIM software. So I will learn so much things of softwares like AutoCAD and SketchUp, V-Ray, Inkscape, and Revit. Those all are things I will learn the softwares. I have visited with sites also like showroom and factory process and design cave, pepper fray.
Okay, Shibu. Like, how was the trainer's support towards you in the classrooms? Like, how they used to teach you?
Very nice, ma'am. Very helpful of coordinators all.
Like, how was the app helped you out? Like, what are the benefit of CMTI app?
App useful of learning any learning you are missing of the classes, any missing of the classes you can learn of the offline of the app. App will be everything is there, so you can learn so much things. That's it.
Okay, Shibu. Like, how was your theory classes and practical classes? What are the major difference you can see? Find out.
Ma'am, theoretical classes will be learned to in the classes. Practical means I will visit it with sites and practical visit factories and showroom visits, all those things.
Okay. What are the major difference you can find out? Like, which mode helped you out most?
Practical and theoretical both help.
Okay, Shivu. Like, how was your interview preparation? How you started preparing for your interviews?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ
ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ?
ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ and then which types of kitchens wardrobes like say all interiors topics I will learn. So that's why I will tell you all that I will all prepared with learning in my interview.
Okay, Shivu. Like, for which role you have selected for?
Project management.
Okay, Shivu. Like, finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your course and about your placement?
Yeah, I will refer my friends also, ma'am.
Okay, Shivu. Like, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.